Love the look of watercolor but find it hard to control? You're not alone. Today I'll show you an easy and fun technique that combines watercolor washes with colored pencils. It's the perfect solution for artists who aren't quite ready to go all in with watercolor painting. Let's get started. You'll need a hot pressed watercolor paper. It has a smooth surface that's ideal for both watercolor and colored pencils, a watercolor pencil to draw with, kneaded eraser, and of course your pencil sharpener. Start with a light sketch of your subject. Keep it loose. Today I'm painting a parrot to keep things fun and relaxed. We're going to need a few brushes for the watercolor part, 4 round and 1/2 inch oval, and you're going to want a really simple watercolor palette. Here I've listed all the colors used for the watercolor part. Using your 1/2 inch oval brush, apply a loose watercolor wash. Let the colors bleed and mix naturally. It's kind of a fun little expressive part. Don't worry too much about staying within the lines. Just keep your brush moving around and let the water flow. Hot pressed paper is smooth, but it doesn't handle heavy water well, so try to avoid oversaturating it. Let this layer dry completely before moving on. You can use a hairdryer to speed things up if you're impatient like me. I'm going to add another layer of watercolor on top because I really want these colors to get really rich before I add the colored pencil. You don't have to do this, you can keep it light, but I wanted a darker color for my base painting. If you've enjoyed this tutorial so far, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more art tips and beginner-friendly techniques. Alright, now that the watercolor is dry, let's go on to the pencils. Start lightly, build up shadows, define edges, and add texture. Colored pencils give you control that watercolor doesn't, which makes this combo so satisfying. Blend the colors gradually and experiment with layering to build depth. You can create textures for the feathers and detailed line work, all without muddying the watercolor. And now a few tips to help you succeed with this technique. Keep your watercolor layer light and loose. You don't want to overwork it. Make sure it's completely dry before adding colored pencil. If the paper is damp, your pencil is going to tear right through it. Use light pressure and build slowly with colored pencil. You can always add more. It's harder to take away. Here I am adding textures of the feathers, but not drawing each individual feather, still keeping it very loose and light. Notice I'm not pushing really hard, but I'm just slowly building it up. I'm going to work on defining the tail feathers, but I'm keeping it really simple and I'm just defining the edges of those feathers. Try this out and tag me on Instagram at PatrickBoasArt. I'd love to see what you create. And here's the final result. A soft watercolor base with detailed colored pencil worked right on top. The best of both worlds. This technique is perfect if watercolor alone feels intimidating. You still get that painterly look, but with all the control of drawing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.